first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello guys, welcome to my channel DIY Repair Now, and today we're going to be working in this top load LG. The model number is on the display, and the problem that we have with this washer is that it's not agitating. So the clothes stay still when it's supposed to be agitating. It looks like it wants to start agitating, but it doesn't do it. Now when I put my hand inside the washer machine and try to spin the agitator, I can feel that it's tripped or that something is going on. I'm sorry for this footage, but I'm over here. I'm trying to show you that this little cap has like 3 little gaps on the side that you can stick a screwdriver and remove this cover for the agitator. That's where you put the screwdriver, and that's how you release it in any one of those 3 spots. That's how it comes off. Now we're gonna need this socket 1332, and this is the one we're gonna use to remove the screw that is holding the agitator. After you remove the screw, you can go ahead and remove the agitator. Sometimes it will come off very easy, but sometimes you need to pry it out. This is one of the things that you can run in a little bit of situation. Just push it down in different places, try to get it loose, and then at least this agitator has like a little housing where the screw goes that you can put something to pry it out. However, sometimes it can be difficult. As you see, it comes right out. Now you're gonna see something very interesting. I can see that the little teeth inside this agitator are still good because they are metal, but I'm gonna show you later on in this video how that metal piece could be good, but that metal piece is attached to the agitator, where the agitator brings teeth that are plastic, and that's where it's stripped. This is the part number that we're going to be using today, and it's the same exact part. This is an OEM part from manufacturing from LG, so we're going to get it out of the box. And here we have our new agitator. As you see, this one also brings the metal part in there, and it also brings a new screw, which is good. I thought I was gonna have to remove that metal piece from the other one. I'm gonna get it out of there, that way I can show you where this part is broken, because if you just remove the other one, you might think that the agitator is still good because the metal piece it's still good. Now remember, it's a washer between the agitator and the shifter, so you have to put that washer where it goes and then put the new agitator in. Now over here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you that even this metal piece still look good. That doesn't mean that it's good, because this metal piece does work very good on the actuator, but this metal piece goes in on the actual agitator, where is the agitator part that is worn out. It's broken, it's all stripped, and that's the reason why it's not agitating the way it's supposed to. As you see, now this piece came right off, and as you can see, the little teeth inside the agitator are the ones that are stripped. So I'm just want to go ahead and do this to show you guys that don't go by the teeth on the metal piece. Go ahead and remove this, or make sure you check this before you move to the next step. But if you have a situation where the washer is doing pretty much everything but it's not moving the clothes, 90% of the time this is going to be your problem. So that piece, that metal piece, will still work good on the actual shifter, but not on the agitator. I don't know if I explained myself clearly, but if you didn't understand, go ahead and play the video back and try to listen the video very careful. We're gonna go ahead and install our new screw. There you go. And just make sure you tighten it really good. I'm so used to this drill, so I know when the drill already tied the screws. As well, this screw brings a lock nut liquid on it, so whenever you put the screw in, it's just going to lock in place, so you don't have to worry about this agitator popping out. We're going to go ahead and put this old agitator back in the box, and we're going to go ahead and install the dust cap or the cover for the agitator, however you want to call it. Make sure it clips in place. And at this point, we're pretty much done. We're just gonna run a cycle. That's it, guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.